welcome. If you saw my community announcement, for the next month I'm going to be working on the GrowWithJo app to kind of get a sort of review of it for you guys. And so one of the things that I wanted to review is food. So one of the great things that she has on her app is suggested meals and how to make them. So today we are going to be making chicken rolled in oats. I thought this was a pretty strange recipe, but I still definitely want to try it, probably because it's so strange. So we are going to be making this chicken with potatoes, and we're going to be eating a cucumber with it. So what you will need for this recipe are potatoes, cucumber, skinless chicken breast, plain yogurt, oats, sea salt, pepper, and chili powder. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
I really worked up an appetite.
We're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 425. First, of course, we're going to wash. Now, for potatoes, ideally they're going to take the same amount of time as the chicken. So we're going to try and get these done together. And in this boiling water, we're also going to add a little bit of salt. Now we're going to go ahead and mix our sauce. Yes, I'm eyeballing. Maybe don't do that. That's just the way it is. Chili powder. It is time to coat the chicken with this. And then we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes before we roll it in the oats. Now, I really don't know the best way to do this because I am not a chef by any means, but we'll see what we got. I'm going to pour a little layer in the cooking canister.
At what age did you have it all together?
And I don't have tongs because I broke them. So we're just going to stab her with a fork. Just going to smooth it out a little bit. And then we're supposed to let this sit for 5 minutes. But they just look so good. I do think I'm going to sprinkle some onion powder on top of them. Sue me. It's against the recipe, but ta-da! Has me not knowing how to use cutlery triggered anyone yet?
I don't know, I'm kind of scared.
There you go.
We're gonna go ahead and put the chicken in for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll check it after probably 15. I do these videos on my off days, and so normally I try to do it like earlier in the day to get everything out of the way. But today that did not happen because I ended up taking a 3-hour nap. Now, she didn't give any seasonings for the cucumbers, which I don't know if she wants me to eat them raw. Put them in a bowl. I'm just gonna shake them. I may have did something here. It's been 15 minutes. They needed more time, so they're back in for another 5 minutes, and my potatoes are almost done, so it's coming together. Joe also did not specify the seasoning for the potatoes, so I'm using garlic powder. Did the oats stay on the chicken? Kind of. Let's try it. It's good. Next time I probably won't use oats. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on this video and hanging out with me while I make this recipe for the first time. I really did love it. If you want to try it, definitely do so. Also, definitely check out GrowWithJo. I'll have her channel linked below, and she does have, again, her app, which is where I got this recipe, among many others. So it's definitely a great resource if you are interested in gaining a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like to show that you liked it, and leave a comment below your opinion on this recipe or any other oats chicken recipe that you may have tried. That sounded so weird to even say. Subscribe if you would like to follow along on my journey to and through a healthier lifestyle, where I will be documenting my successes, my struggles, anxieties, recipes, commentaries, doubts, fears, all for you. So definitely stay tuned. I have a ton of content that you can look through. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.